हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट ट्यूटोरियल में नीति मैम तुमको एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग चीज़ सिखाने जा रही हैं। जानते हो क्या? चॉकलेट बॉक्स। इतना ब्यूटीफुल है कि तुम इंजॉय करोगे इसको बनाने में भी और बनाने के बाद इसको यूज़ करने में भी।
Hello friends, I'm Neeti Mittal. Today I'm going to teach you a chocolate box. How to make beautiful chocolate box for the return gifts of your birthdays you can make and you can give to your friends. For variety of chocolates you can keep in this. So how to make, I'll show you now. For this we need a square piece of paper. The measurement of the paper will be 9 by 9 inch. This should be 9 by 9 inch. 9 by 9 inch square piece of paper we need. Please take little thick paper and make 9 equal boxes in this. 3 inch by 3 inch ke 9 boxes you make in this. Quickly I am making 9 boxes in this. First we will take the paper of 9 by 9 and again 3 inch by 3 inch ke 9 boxes you will make in this. And then the outer box we will draw one diagonal line. All the 4 outer boxes, with the help of the scale, we must draw one diagonal line. Okay, and after making this, we must fold the paper inside. We start folding the paper from all the sides inside. All the 9 boxes we will fold. Okay, we give inside fold, but for the diagonal lines we must fold back side. This is called mountain fold in origami language. All we will fold back side, not inside. So this folding we will do back side. Now see, this all 4 I will fold back side, and after this what we have to do, we will bring all the 4 corners together. Okay, and for this now we will take our punch. We'll make a hole here. We will make a hole here. All 4 we will make a hole, so we can now, and all these 4 we will take a thread and we will bring it, we'll tie it. Now see, for decoration of this what we can do, this I have passed the thread. We can stick some color papers and some plain papers, back side different, inside different. For sticking the color paper, this was our 3 by 3 inch square. For color paper we will cut 2 by 2, 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch ka color paper we will cut and we will paste. If you don't have the color printed paper, this print paper, I'll show you what you can do for that. 1 minute, I'll just stick and show you. This I will put 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch, and for the corners what we will do, again we will cut the color paper 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch, and again we will fold diagonally and we will cut it. So we will cut and we will paste here. In this manner we will paste it. We'll apply little Fevicol and we will paste. This we will paste like this. Here both sides we will paste. After pasting this, your chocolate box will be like this. Okay, front side different, back side different. Suppose if you don't have this printed paper, then I'll show you one technique how the plain paper you can convert into printed paper. Just take a plain paper. This is Navneet paper and I have taken some colors. I have taken a fabric colors here. You can take even poster color also, and newspaper is there in everybody's home. Just take a newspaper and make a ball of the newspaper. Take the color in the palette and help of this ball with newspaper I made, you can just take and just dab it. See, just dab it. So you can convert plain paper into printed paper. I have taken 2 colors, one yellow and this. Just dabbing I am doing, simple dabbing technique, and with this also immediately you can convert your plain paper as a gift paper. With this paper also, let it dry. After that you can cut the square of 2.5 inch by 2.5 and you can make your, you can stick on your chocolate box. So I hope children you have enjoyed this chocolate box. This is very pretty. You can keep 4 varieties of chocolate and you can give as a return gift to your friends. I hope you have liked my video. Thank you watching me.
अच्छा लगा ना बच्चों? कितना ब्यूटीफुल चॉकलेट बॉक्स है और इसमें तुम वेराइटीज़ ऑफ चॉकलेट रख सकते हो और अपने फ्रेंड्स के बर्थडे पे उनको गिफ्ट कर सकते हो या अपने पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को के बर्थडे पे उनको गिफ्ट कर सकते हो। तो बच्चों तुमको पसंद आया हो तो जल्दी से बनाओ और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो और वॉच करो। थैंक यू।